Looking for the best camera lens filters? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 camera lens filters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Neewer Full Color Lens Filter Set. Made of good quality durable glass. These filters are compatible with 58mm lenses and offer a neutral density effect along with a complete color transition for a smooth blending effect. The complete set includes 9 full color filters, in red, yellow, orange, blue, green, purple, pink, brown, and gray, a storage pouch, and a microfiber cleaning cloth. Compatible with Canon products and all 58mm lenses. A fun, colorful set that's great for experimenting. Might not work for pro quality images. At number 2. Neewer 58mm Lens Filter Accessory Kit. Made of good quality glass. A good basic set with ultraviolet, close-up and neutral density. Comes with 3 carry pouches for extra protection. Also included are a tulip flower lens hood, collapsible rubber lens hood, center pinch lens cap, and cap keeper leash. Compatible with all 58mm lens cameras, including Canon cameras and lenses. An affordable set with all the basics. Some filters may be redundant for certain cameras. At number 1. Gobe 58mm Lens Filter Kit. Available from 37mm to 86mm. Made of premium Japanese optical glass with a 16-layer nano coating. This Essentials kit features an ultraviolet, a circular polarizing, CPL, OND8, 3-stop, and OND1000, 10-stop, filters. The filters provide neutral color balance, reduce lens flare, remove ghosting, and protect lens against scratches, dirt, and grime. Designed to minimize weight and take as little space as possible in your bag. A good essential with a lifetime guarantee. Can sometimes make photos look softer. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.